Hey brothers and sisters, this is Jeff from Bristol Combe Pine Teaching. Just a brief word. For those of you new to setting up homeschooling, what you really want to keep in mind is phonics. Think about that. Think about how they take a small amount of information, they teach a student one thing, and then they build upon it. And then there's continuous review and a continuous building process. That is the most effective teaching one can do. Well, imagine if there was a math program like that. Imagine if there was a math program that taught you to do math in the same way that phonics taught you to read. A math program that taught you to do math the way a mom teaches a child how to walk. The child never stops getting up to its knees, it never stops standing. As a matter of fact, a person has to first stand up for the rest of their life and take that first step over and over again, continuously repeating it, continuously practicing it. They never forget how to stand up and take that first step, just like they never forget how to keep stepping. And then when they learn to run, they do that. It's a process that's built upon. It's something that never lets you forget the very first thing. If a math program taught our students to do math that way, that would be the most effective math program. Well, there is a math program that does that. It's Saxon Math. But the problem is, Mr. Saxon, who made Saxon Math, he passed away not too many years ago. And his company was sold. So what you really need to do is get the books that Mr. Saxon made while he was still alive and utilize those. They teach in an incremental fashion. They teach in the same way phonics teaches to read. They teach in the same way that a mom teaches her child to walk. Now, these aren't easy books, okay? I hear about people saying, math should be fun. Well, it is fun. It can be like solving puzzles again, but it's also work. Your children shouldn't be afraid of hard work. And Saxon has you practicing, and Saxon has you doing. And this is the correct way to teach math. As a matter of fact, his program effectively goes from kindergarten all the way up through calculus. And I would say its most effective program is his fourth grade calculus, fourth grade math through calculus. As a matter of fact, my children all did the Saxon Math program, and they performed really well in math. As a matter of fact, I have a daughter right now who's a math major, and she just scored very high in an advanced calculus course, so we're very proud of her.